Turn off the printer and disconnect the power cable. Prepare a Phillips screwdriver. Remove the two screws located on the left and right sides. Lift the scanner unit and hold it securely in an upright position. Rotate the front wheel counterclockwise to move the printhead to the center. Now, gently slide the printhead to the middle. Remove the plastic cover protecting the ink tubes. Press the ink damper locks on both sides to release them. Carefully lift the ink dampers. Next, remove the 3 screws securing the printhead. Gently take out the printhead. Disconnect the printhead's flexible cable carefully. Clean any remaining ink inside the carriage unit. Also, clean the flexible cable to prevent possible short circuits. Then, reconnect the flexible cable carefully and ensure it is properly seated. Reinstall the printhead and arrange the flexible cables neatly. Secure the printhead with the screws you removed earlier. Reattach the ink dampers and press them firmly to lock them in place. Organize the ink tubes and reinstall the plastic cover. Now turn on the printer and perform printhead cleaning 1 to 3 times to allow the ink to flow into the printhead. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching.